authenticity of the story, authenticity of the news. There are many sites for fact finding, like alt news, and Google also provide fact finding. So Google provide if is there any story, any news are verified by Google, that can be that can be believed. Otherwise, it cannot be believed. So we should take care about the fake news, because of if we go any message, so that lead divide our countries, our peoples. They lead to right between different communities by the political agenda. So that's why we should aware about these things, and we should let the people aware. We should take a real thing and real truth stories.
Okay.
Because of that, if our perception and our communities people or social people perception, if a perception had wrong, so our country will be divided, and it will be easily broken. That is the agenda of the other countries. So that
Okay. Yeah.
so we should take care about this thing.
Yes. Okay, Deep. Dear.
Okay, sir. Sir, did you pay him when he is calling you?
No, actually, I thought that when he messaged me that it's emergency, I thought let me pay, but suddenly he called me and said, "Bhai, please." And I said, "Okay." Then he messaged me again and say, "Oh, sorry, sir, it was by mistake." Yeah, मैं किसी और को
Okay.
message कर रहा था, but it happened.
Okay. If anyone speak you, sir, please emergency. But sir, you didn't pay. Okay, you will not pay.
No, actually, I thought it's your phone, it's your mobile. Otherwise, I had not known that
Okay.
someone is using.
Okay,
your phone.
it's actually I don't know. I didn't know right yet. What is the mistake?
Okay.
But I talk him. I talk with him. Why is happening?
Okay. You are not aware about this message?
No,
Okay.
and I am not able to see on my phone calls history. You were talking with my phone yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, but someone messaged me with the same number.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now I got to know. Okay, carry on.
So, what was our topic, sir, today?
Didn't you see your topic yet?
Actually, I'm not preparing yesterday.
Okay, you have not prepared. Okay. Our topic, Ashim dear.
Yeah.
Hello, Asim.
Asim sir muted.
Yes, our
Yeah.
topic was will fake news kill social fiber of India if unchecked?
Yes. Okay.
That means fake news, how to kill our social media
No.
or not?
No. Will fake news kill social fiber of India?
Social fiber means, sir?
Means I would say social status, social situation, society's situation will make worse if fake news will not be checked. Yeah, in simple term, I'm gonna tell you. If fake news spreads in India, then so many people believes on that, and situation becomes worst, and people are even that much, I would say, angry to kill someone without any, without knowing the exact facts, without knowing the authenticity that this source is right or wrong. But whatever they see on social media, they believe that this is right, and they just work according to that.
Okay. Yeah. Uh, Nowadays, and few decades back, if we go, then our India's social media has spread this lots kind of rumor. Okay, so that is not right. Okay, but too many people believes on that news, and they believe, and they are working according to that. What they are saying, or what they are uh, spreading the news, fake news.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, I'm listening to you.
Hello.
Yes, listening to you.
Yes, your face is a statue.
Okay. Yeah, sometimes this happens. Yeah, you
Okay.
just carry on.
But right now,
Mm-hmm.
your face is like a statue.
Is not moving.
Not.
Okay, then okay, you just carry on. I'm moving from this side.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, it's real fact in our India, and this is the big problem in currently situation. Too many news reporter, too many peoples, one who belongs to media, they are spreading very bad rumor for their TRP,
Okay.
because TRP is most important thing for that, for their as much as TRP, as much as they can improve their news channel. So this is the reason they are spreading rumor, and they are spread fake news, so that too many people believes on that, or yeah, they are working to they are not knowing exact figure, and they are working according to that. So that's why, but it is not good, because as we know that Article 19, yes, according to Article 19, media have great independent. They can, I mean to say, media can speak anything. They can speak in front of any leader or any chief minister, prime minister. They can do anything
Right to freedom
according
of
to
speech
Article.
and expression. Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right. Right to freedom of speech and expression under Article 19.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yeah, exactly. So that's why this is the main problem. But they are doing wrong for their Article 19,
Mhm.
and yeah. So if any restriction would have been, if would have been restriction on their particular situation, then it will be not happen something like this. But no one can stop them. No one can stop to spread this kind of fake news. So that's why this is the problem
Mhm.
creating in our India or any kind of country like us. So That's why fake news will be fake news will kill further.
Okay. Yes, obviously. Yes, dear Ashim.
Yes, actually, fake news lead to the divide the community, country, and these things that change the perception of the peoples. If thoughts, ideas, if will be changed, so we we can go away from the real things. So, like if our perception will be wrong, so we cannot improve because of our perception will be will go in the wrong direction. If you go in wrong direction, that lead to the that is lead to the as a communal, or that lead to the right between two communities. All the things are happening nowadays because of political agenda. These things are doing by the mainstream media. Like there, I think almost mainstream media not doing their real job. They are spreading only untruth, untruth story and untruth news. If they are getting any message from the WhatsApp, they deliver to the they show they make main show of their channels, because they are spreading they are doing business. They are doing only business. They don't want the development of our country. They don't want only our people make unite. Only their agenda is only to make money, and they are selfish, and these things are doing by the politicians, because they want their political benefits, and if wrong by the wrong perception, like nowadays wrong perception are created for the Mahatma Gandhi's. So the Mahatma Gandhi was very good person, very good leader. So but nowadays there are some people are spreading some stories, making fake news, making fake stories for him, and spreading by the WhatsApp, by the social media, Instagram, Facebook. That is not good. That is not correct. So once we get any message from anywhere, from any social media or even stream media, we should first check that is correct or not correct. A lot of mod or a lot of mod that can be used for checking the truth or untruth, like alt news and Google and Facebook and YouTube also are using technology and algorithm for filtering the news, that is correct or not correct. So first we should follow the technology, and we should use for finding fake news.
Yes, obviously.
Because of if we want to unite, and we don't want to divide the country, don't want to divide the community, so we should care all the things, because of if we go wrong way, so we will be divided, and we will be
always is admire to BJP. They are not criticism.
Okay.
Because Aaj Tak is sold by BJP. Because see sir, Aaj Tak channel always admire to BJP, Narendra Modi, or etc. whatever belongs to BJP. So this is the agenda, and they are providing fake news or truth news. It doesn't matter, but they providing admire only, and they are not they cannot criticize on their particular party, which is buyer by BJP, and BJP is always admired by Aaj Tak channel, and some channels are provided by Congress, or this kind of situation is roast. If anything wrong behavior creating by BJP, then that will be hidden. But if any condition is creating a good thing by BJP, then Aaj Tak channel able to see on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any social media. Aaj Tak channel will be shown on your mobile phone or TV, television, and newspaper, etc. things. So these kind of things no one can stop, because they are sell, they are buyer by particular parties, and this is the reason they are providing our fake news, and we believe on that, and we are doing according to that. But truth is something else. That is not completely truth, but we are believe on that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Asim dear.
right. Really, I think 95% media are sold. They are using only their agenda.
Ready to sell.
They want all. Sorry. They are
Ready to
only.
Yeah.
They are using only as a, doing as a business. They don't want. They are making only TRP, and because of if we go, if real thing, real story, so that is not we can say delicious for the people. So people want delicious delicious material. Either it is a fact or not. So people actually these things are made by the media. Their media make the perception of the people doing these things, like spreading hate between two communities. All media like Z News, Republic TV, or Aaj Tak, ABP, I think all, I can say almost all media are doing same things.
Okay.
Sometimes the real agenda, real situation they cannot show.
Mhm.
Because their master, their lord, say them don't show real story, real news, because we are facing nowadays a lot of issues in our countries, but that thing that are not shown on the TV. We don't know how is when we can say that if we go take the news from the some of the India region. China conquered. You can say they are making villages, but our stream media they don't want to show the mainstream media or on their channels because of their Lord's order that they are doing wrong thing, because we are these things. If we don't oppose these things, our country will be weak. Will one day, and we cannot be able to understand the people and our country where is we are going. So we should conscious about these things. We should conscious about our children, and if we take any news, any story from the social media, even mainstream media, so we should follow the steps. Like Google also provide step. If any news are authenticated or verified, so tick mark will be marked. So first if you go to in the Kerala, children are taught by the teacher how to check the how to fake news, how to check the real news. But in our state, in North state, it is not happening. It is only it is made the agenda of the differentiating the people and spreading hate between the communities and spreading hate. These are the things. If we don't follow and we don't care, so one day we can divide. We can be. Oh, these are the main things media is not doing right now.
Okay, you say right.